Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. We are here because we want to prepare for the GMAT. We have been solving GMAT math problems out of this book here, GMAT Review, the official guide, the 13th edition. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You're going to need it. The problem that we are about to solve is the one that you will find on page number 280, and today is our lesson number 78. Page 280, problem number 62. Let's turn to it. Page 280, number 62, the very last problem in the first column. I'm going to leave it up to you to read the problem to yourself. Here's what's going on. I'm just going to introduce the notation first that I'm going to use in this problem before we actually solve the problem. So, here's P for regular price. I'm going to use P prime for discount price. We have two prices and two stores. We have a regular price and a discount price, and we have a store M and store L. I'm going to use P with subscript M for regular price at store M, and similarly P with subscript L for regular price at store L, and similarly P prime with subscript L will be the discount price at store L, and P prime subscript M will be the discount price at store M. Now that we have that out of the way, the question is very simple. The question is the discount price at M, is the discount price at store M less than the discount price at store L? That is all they are looking for. That is all they are looking for. So let's get going then. Okay, I'm going to give you a second to do whatever it is that you want to do with it, because I'm going to erase everything and I want to start my solution from the very top. That actually buys me a couple of seconds to have a sip. There we go. Alright, let's get going. In the first statement they tell us that the discount price at L is equal to, well, what did they tell you in the first statement? They tell us at store L the discount price is 10% less than the regular price. Well, if the discount price is 10% less than the regular price, what they're telling us is that discount price is 90% of the regular price. Discount price is 90% of the regular price at L. They also go on to tell us that at store M, the discount price is 15% less than the regular price. Again, if the discount price is 15% less than the regular price, then what they're telling us is that at store M, the discount price is 85% of the regular price. So here's the discount price at store M, which is 85% of the regular price at store M. Is that enough for us to answer the question? The question is this. The question is the discount price at store M less than the discount price at store L? This is what we have to answer. Can we tell from there if the discount price at one store is less than the discount price at the other store, just by the mere fact that the discount price is 90% of its regular price and here the discount price is 85% of its regular price? Of course not. How can we figure out what discount prices are? First statement by itself is no good. AD BCE. AD BCE. Since the first statement by itself does not work, answer cannot be A or D. The second statement goes on to tell us that at store L, the discount price is $5 less than the regular price. So the discount price at L, is $5 less than the regular price. So whatever the regular price is $5 less. And they also go on to tell us that the discount price at M is apparently $6 less than the regular price. Is that what that's what I have here? At store M, the discount price is $6 less than the regular price. is that enough for us to tell us, is that enough just by knowing the mere fact that the discount price at first store is $5 less than its regular price, and the discount price at the second store is $6 less than its regular price? Is that enough for us to compare their discount prices? Of course not. Second statement is also of no use. It does not provide us sufficient data to answer the question. Answer cannot be B. Let's put them together. Together 1 and 2. Well, what's going to happen if we put them together? Here's what's going to happen. Listen carefully. Because in the real exam, as you know by now, you don't actually have to solve anything. You just have to be able to tell whether you have sufficient data to be able to answer the question. The question being, is the discount price at M less than the discount price at L? That's all. Here, we know the discount price is $5 less than the regular price, and we know the discount price is 90% of the regular price. So we have two independent equations here. We can figure out the discount price, we can figure out the regular price. It is $5 less, which means this discount price right here, this discount price, which is $5 less than the regular price, that tells us that $5 less than the regular price is 90% of its regular price. We can solve for the regular price. Once we have the regular price, we can figure out what is the discount price. Basically, we have two independent equations. Similarly, here we have two independent equations for the discount price at M and the regular price at M, P subscript M and P prime subscript M, and we can solve for both of them. It is enough information. Together, we can do it. Together, it can be done. The answer is C. The answer is C. What we're going to do from this point on is not something that you will do in the real exam. We're going to actually solve it. Why? Just for the hell of it, just for practice. Okay? In the real exam, it is not necessary. Let's do it then, shall we? I'm curious. So here, this discount price here, the $5 discount here, the $5 discount that we see here, must represent 10% of the regular price. That's how I set it up. I know a little while ago I said something else. A little while ago I was going to do something a little bit different. I was going to say this quantity, regular price minus 5 equals 90% of L, but that's a little bit more complicated. This is more straightforward. The $5 discount that they're giving us, given the fact that they're telling us the discount price is 90% of the regular price, that means $5 must represent 10% of the regular price. From there, of course, we can figure out the regular price. The regular price at L is 5 over 0.1. Multiply the top and the bottom by 10, and we end up with 50 over 1, of course, which is just 50. I don't know why I had to do that part. That was silly. It's just 50. Similarly, we can do the same thing here. The 6% discount that we're getting here, rather $6 discount that we're getting at store M, must represent 15% of the price, because we are told that the discount is 15%. In the first statement they tell us that the discount is 15%. In the second statement they go on to tell us that it actually translates into a $6 saving. So $6 represents 15% of the price. 15% of the regular price at M. Therefore, the regular price at M must be 6 over 0.15. I don't like dealing with decimal. I hate dealing with decimal. Let's multiply the top and bottom by 100 so that we can get rid of the decimal. So on the top we end up with 600. At the bottom we end up with 15. How many 15 is 60? 60 has 4 15, so we end up with 40. The regular price is $40. Of course, we can figure out the discount price. The discount price at the first store, by the mere fact that we're getting a $5 off, must be $45. Here, it turns out to be $40 since we're getting a $6 discount. Since we're getting a $6 discount at the second store, at store M, the regular price comes out to be $40, therefore discount price must be $34. Voila. So the question was, is the discount price at M less than the discount price at L? The answer is yes. But we didn't have to do any of this, you understand that, right? Obviously. We always go gung-ho for no good reason. Well, it's always a good thing to go gung-ho when it comes to math, because that's how we learn. The more you practice, the better you will get at it. Because as I always explain to my clients, that in order for one to be able to tell whether or not there is sufficient data to be able to answer the question that is being asked, one has to actually be able to solve it if one had to. If you cannot solve it, if you are unable to solve it, if you do not know how to set it, how to set it up and how to solve it, you will not be able to tell whether there is enough information. You have to go through the entire steps, the whole process in your mind. You don't have to do it out on a piece of paper, but that's what it is. Anyway, that's enough talk. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Bye now.